very classy. It's just a tiny little vibration in it, and it just drives my anxiety crazy. I remember it being outside. So I wasn't doing that way. Dramatic reveal. Lift myself. That's terrible. Like, that's terrible service. That's manual labour. Thank you very much. Right. So on one side it's good, one side it's not. So it's weird. We're going to be going up at an angle. So even the elevator is kind of done that way. I'm kind of delighted there's no view in a sense. I thought it would have been on the outside, but yeah, we can record and take photos. We're going to go up here and have a drink. And yeah, it was $12.50, but there's our ticket there. Hello. Thank you. Yes. Oh, the bars were. Can I just go to the bar first, please? Thank you very much. Okay, thank you. So you do get a 360 view up on the top. It's a cool place. My anxiety shot up because I could feel the vibrations in it. I think it's all the buses and stuff going by. Whew. That was pretty interesting, I have to say now. A nice 360 view. It's very cool where the elevator actually is in this, because you just don't see it when you're outside. Like £12.50 to get extra entrance. It was €15 for an old fashioned. Where it was, fair enough, it was very classy. Just a tiny little vibration in it, and it just drove my anxiety crazy. Yeah, I did. My anxiety did not like it, but I did enjoy it. Well, thank you very much. Oh, and the drink was fantastic as well. Thank you. Bye bye. Are you tired yet? No? Alright, let's go. Stunning scenes here, beautiful views of the city. There's not many people around, and it's midweek. You could be the one to discover something interesting, you know, a hidden gem, a hidden cafe, because only the locals know about it, you know. So it's, tourists aren't a big thing here. It's just locals and probably the neighbouring countries coming in to do business. Could not find a way into that bloody castle. Yeah, someone can blow to get in there. I don't think most people got in as well. Could be, it's off season, so. fucking, I hate this thing when it doesn't do what it does. But so I was going to stay at the Clarion Hotel. I'm very angry because I'd done a lovely speech there and it was good. So I have to go that way, but we have to go this way to go that way. And yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed my trip here in Bratislava. But we're on our way now to get to the train to head to Budapest. So let's go.